Nike is continuing its textured storytelling into 2026 with an upcoming Air Force 1 low that highlights earthy tones and premium materials. Releasing in spring 2026, this pair comes dressed in linen, moon particle, mink brown, and burgundy crush, creating a warm and grounded color palette. While not officially part of Nike's Lunar New Year lineup, the design clearly draws inspiration from the brand's lunar aesthetic, especially the Year of the Horse theme. The shoe features suede overlays with a horsehair-like texture, breathable mesh panels, and deep burgundy accents that add contrast and depth. Tan suede and a pale textile base keep the look soft and wearable, while the burgundy swoosh, laces, and collar bring balance. A muted brown midsole replaces the usual bright white, reinforcing the organic feel. Branding stays minimal with classic Nike Air details, letting the materials stand out. Overall, this Air Force 1 Low is a versatile spring 2026 release with subtle lunar-inspired vibes, dropping via Nike and select retailers.